big old bass off the lunker. There he goes. Hey y'all, look at that snake coming right towards me. Got him. See that ball? Alright, hey y'all. I'm down here at the creek just fishing with Brad, going for a few baby warmouth. I caught a few baby warmouth, but I think some pike are going after the bread, so I'm gonna see if I can get some pike. Oh, they sure are. Oh. Oh, that's a baby catfish, y'all. Yo, I didn't even know this creek had catfish in it. Let's see. Look at that. It's a baby catfish. He's already got his barbels. Look at that. Y'all, this creek has catfish in it. Okay, so uh-oh, he's stuck. Oh no, there's a hole under there he's going into. Okay. Well, that's cool. I thought those, see, I saw a slender fish going for the bread, and I was like, okay, that's cool. I thought pike were going for it, but turns out it was catfish. Let's see if I can get another one. I was actually hoping it was pike, but it's cool because I never knew there was catfish in there. Yep, there's another one going for it. Oh. Here we go. Just gonna move that around. Okay. Look at that. Immediate. Oh, that was a nice one too. Wow. Alright. There's catfish in this creek. This is new. It seems like more catfish are biting than warmouth now. I've been down here in the evening, so it's not time of the day when they bite. I don't think there was ever catfish in this creek before. Oh! Oh! Looked like a catfish coming in. Okay, it's a nice warmouth though. It's a pretty nice one. I caught one with a yellow belly like this at the lake today. I've been seeing a lot more of these lately. Alright, he was gone. Alright, y'all, my battery's getting really low, and it's looking like it's about to storm. But, yeah, even though it was a short fishing video, I didn't do much, today, or I didn't do much in the creek today. It was still cool, finding out I had catfish in this little creek. It's cool, because I didn't even know there were any, but it seemed like there was a good bit of catfish, so I definitely will come down here more often for that. I haven't fished for catfish in a while, but I will try to make a video out my farm. I don't know when I'm going back out there, but I'm gonna try a topwater frog. It's a top-toed king by ribbit. I think that's what it's called, a top-toed king by ribbit. I definitely want to try that out, so I'll see y'all next time.